This is the next exercise that some have called the world's greatest stretch. I'm going to show a couple of versions here. This first version is a shortened range of motion, so they're not going out as far into a lunge, not rotating as far. But in this next version, you're going to see more reach with the legs as well as more rotation with the trunk. And so in a position like this, you're stretching the entire anterior hip, anterior trunk, obliques, upper shoulder, a good kinetic chain stretch. To understand how we utilize a stretch like this on various types of patients and populations, check out our website at rehablearningcenter.com and look at our courses.